Welcome students, myself Deepchand Sharma, lecturer Instrumentation Engineering, Government Polytechnic College Kota. Today we discuss on principle of synchro and synchro control transformer. The principle of synchro are similar to those of an electrical transformer. The shaft of the receiver rotates in unison with the rotation of the shaft of the transmitter. Using the above characteristics, synchro is used for transmitting mechanical angle variations of transmitter over a long distance. Seen figure. Synchro is classified into two types: synchro transmitter, synchro receiver, or synchro control transformer. Synchro control transformer detects the angle with receiving mechanical angle variation in the form of output voltage. Synchro control transformer. Principle of operation of synchro control transformer is same as that of synchro transmitter. Rotor of synchro control transformer is cylindrical type. Synchro control transformer is an electromechanical device. The combination of synchro transmitter and synchro control transformer is used as an error detector. The function of error detector is to convert the difference of two shaft position into an electrical signal. The figure shows schematic diagram of synchro error detector. The output of synchro transmitter is connected to the stator winding of the synchro control transformer. Therefore, the same current will flow in the stator winding of the synchro control transformer, but in opposite direction. The voltage across the rotor terminals of control transformer is ET equals to K1 VR cos phi sin omega 0 t, where phi is angular displacement between the two rotors. When the two rotors are at an angle 90 degree, the voltage induced in control transformer the voltage induced to control transformer is 0. This position is known as electrical zero position control transformer. Let the transmitter rotate through an angle theta in the direction indicated and let control transformer rotor rotates in the same direction through an angle alpha. Then phi equals to 90 degree minus theta plus alpha. Put the value of phi in the equation, we get ET K1 VR cos 90 degree minus theta plus alpha sin omega 0 t. ET equals to K1 VR sin theta minus alpha sin omega 0 t. From equation it is clear that when two rotor shafts are not in alignment, the rotor voltage of control transformer is approximately a sine function of the difference between the two shaft angles for a small angular displacement between two rotor positions. Et equals to K1 VR theta minus alpha sin omega 0 t. Thanks.